how to sign up to be a product reviewer for Shein in 2025. I'm going to tell you how to join Shein's free trial product reviewer program in 2025. First, make sure you're at least 18 years old and have a verified Shein account with accurate address and size information. Navigate to your profile's other services or free trial center via the app or Shein.com. There, you can apply for up to 3 free trial items per week. Just select the items you like, choose your size, enter your shipping address, and hit submit. Then, wait to see if you're approved. It usually happens within a week. If selected, the item ships free, and you've got 10 days to submit a review with clear photos and honest feedback following Shein's guidelines. Do a quality review with detailed text and images, and you'll earn 20 points or up to another 100 bonus points if it's flagged as high quality.